Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to put up a cover like this one onto Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, Instagram by using DistroKid. Now DistroKid is sponsoring this video and they have also allowed me to give you guys a discount using my discount code. I have the link down in the description and here on the screen for you guys. You get 7% off your first year membership. So let's get right into it. But now I'm going to release a cover. So this is my cover, Return of the Mac by Mark Morrison. I'm going to go back to DistroKid. What I'm going to do here is click on Upload. Once you're in the Upload tab, you'll see here, you got these services. Again, I got priority because I'm in the Musicians Plus. But your services, you can always check and uncheck. But I'm going to leave all of these so that my music can get heard everywhere. Number of songs, one song, previous release. So what you're basically going to do here is go through all of this, artist name. You're going to fill all of these out. Today, we're going to, just going to kind of go through what you really have to do. So album cover, you want to make sure the requirements are there. I'm going to choose one. I'm going to click on here, choose it for upload. And there you see my album cover for this. Just gonna go down here, select genre. This is more of a R&B. I would say pop, hip hop. So song title. This is where Turn of the Neck. Now I'm not gonna put cover or anything because you don't really have to do that. Add feature artist. There's no other feature artist, so that'd be just me. Add version. No, this is just a normal version. And then the audio file. So we're going to click on this. And here's my audio file. I've got a wave here. So I'm going to choose this for upload. Nope, I'm just going to have that there. Songwriter. So for songwriter here, we're just going to click on another artist wrote it because it's a cover song. And here they kind of let you know what is allowed and what is not. So cover songs are okay. It's a song that you perform, recorded yourself, or written by somebody else. Sampling is not okay. Remixes, and for DistroKid, they're going to secure a license on your behalf. So they're going to be using Harry Fox Agency, and they'll get everything all settled with that. So automated payments to the songwriters, they'll automatically deduct from what you earned and send it to them, send it to the Harry Fox Agency, and they'll send it to the original songwriter. So you get 100% of whatever is, left of that earnings, I guess. Then we got here the fees. So DistroKid does charge a fee, $1 per month, which is annually $12, and they will charge you that altogether at the end of this uploading. So they can manage that. But this is yearly, so just expect $12 a year for a cover. And then you're going to have to do the original artist. So Mark Morrison. Original song title is the same, Return of the Mac. And this track does not sample or remix another artist's recording. So clicking that. Now, securing cover song license can take up to 14 days. Your release will be delivered to stores once you cover once your cover license has been secured. So going up to here, you want to kind of do your release dates maybe 2 weeks in advance, sometimes maybe a month. Today is actually the 19th, so tomorrow wouldn't be ideal. You might want to look towards maybe like December, but that's that. Explicit lyrics, no, because it's just a guitar cover. Radio edit, nope. Instrumental, I'm going to click on this song as instrumental. And then preview clip start time. So this one, okay, so for TikTok, Apple Music, iTunes, not really going to go into it, but you can choose the part where you want to preview it, like in iTunes or TikTok. When they click on it, then I'll go directly to that spot. So I'm not going to really do that yet. I'll just let the streaming services decide. And then you can do your track price if you want to. I'm just going to leave it here since we're not really going to do that. So extras here, there's $12 to build to the card. because of the cover license. You can also click on the YouTube ID, store maximizer, all this stuff right here. I'm not really going to go into it, but you guys can check out my other videos for that. The only thing that's checked off is the cover song licensing. So you make sure you go over this, click all these, and then we're going to click on done. And once you are done, you're just going to wait for it to go through. Let's just say it was this song. Then you're going to have everything like this, artwork good, the song split. So definitely it's going to be, I don't know if it shows on here. You know, DistroKid's going to take care of the portions for the Harry Fox agency. And then it'll show all of this. That is pretty much how you can put up a cover. Very easy. Most important thing, just have your files and you know, make sure the requirements, everything, check off all the boxes when you're uploading it. And also, if you guys haven't signed up with DistroKid yet and you guys are thinking about it, you guys can use my discount code. I have it in the description on this screen here. But thanks again for watching, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video. Or if you guys want to check out my other DistroKid videos, I have it there too.